Inheritance.
Inheritance is used to declare a new class called a derived class, based on an existing class, known as base class. Derived classes inherit and can extend the properties, methods, events, fields and constants defined in the base class. Select New from File menu and select Project. Select Visual Basic. Select Windows. Select Console Application. Type your project name. Select the location and create the project. Select the location and create the project. System.console.writeLine displays a line in the console. System.console.read key method obtains the next character or function key pressed by the user. Execute the project. The output is displayed. Copying the code to create a class person, which is the base class. Type or paste the code to create the base class. These are the member variables of the base class. These are the member functions of the base class. This is the subroutine of the base class person. Copying the code to create a derived class cricket player, which is derived from the class person. Type or paste the code to create the derived class. The derived class overrides the properties and methods of the base class so that it can be considered as the specialized version of base class. Here class cricket player is derived from the class person. Member variable of the derived class cricket player. Member function of the derived class cricket player. Copying the code to create and initialize the derived class object. Type or paste the code to create and initialize the derived class object. Declaring an object of derived class cricket player. Calling base class member function. Assigning value to the public variable of the base class. Assigning value to the public variable of the derived class. Execute the project. The output is displayed.